Hello everyone, we will solve this today's LeetCode problem. This is a LeetCode easy one. Let's see what it is. So this is a given score of a string, right? Let's see what the question is. You are given a string S. The score of a string is defined as the sum of the absolute difference between ASCII values of adjacent characters. Return the score of S. Okay. Okay. We have to uh, find the score of the string and what is the score. So score is defined as the sum of the absolute difference between the ASCII values of adjacent characters. Okay. uh, Nothing is wrong in this question. You just need to do what the question is asking, that we need to uh, just sum the absolute difference between adjacent characters like this hello. So if you see hello here, so what's the difference between H and E? So we will take the H and D difference, then E and L difference. So H and E will be one pair, EL will be one pair, LL will be another adjacent characters, LO will be another adjacent characters. So difference between this H and E, absolute difference. So absolute difference between H and E XI characters will be, so H is what H is. H is 104. So 104 minus 101 is equals to of 3, right? So here if you see, this is equals to 3. Same for this ab absolute value of this 101 minus this L value is 108. So what is the absolute difference? So absolute will be that this will be, if negative it will be return positive answer, right? That's what the absolute mean here, right? It's the absolute here is something like this absolute, you must have read some, you must have read either this, or if the positive x is, so the x is, so negative x would be becomes positive, right? You have read must in class 3 or second, I don't know, in school days, right? So this is the meaning of that. So this is the 7, right? And this is the absolute value. Again this 101 and this is LL. So this LL is the same, it means 108 minus 108, which is equals to 0, right? Same for L, and this is 108 minus 111, right? This becomes 3. So we need to sum this all, 3703, 3703, and which is equals to 13, right? Which is equals to 13. So we just need to traverse in this string from, I will start traversing, from first index, not 0th index. And what I will do, I will just store the sum of absolute difference between the current minus previous. What does it mean? The first index I will start and it will be current minus previous, which is that is takes num psi minus, or si minus 1, right? That I will do and store in summation. That would be easy, right? That would be very easy. So what the time complexity will be? The time complexity will be O of n, O of n, of course, right? That would be O of n, because don't think we can optimize it further from O of n. N is the length of the string, of course. N is the length of the string. N is the length of the string, and the space complexity would be, we are just storing in our summation, so we are not taking any extra space. That would be O of 1. So let's try to just implement this, and let's wrap up this. I think you must have, many of you have solved, maximum of you have solved this question. I am sure of about that. So let's just start. So let's define a summation value 0, and we will iterate from I is equals to 1 till n. Why am I iterating from 1? Because we need to take two characters, adjacent characters, right? So what I will do, I will just store two absolute characters in this absolute value. Okay, I can write this si minus 1 simply. Why I'm not converting this in ASCII? Because this will automatically gives me difference between their ASCII values if I don't write anything, right? But in C++, this will give me an answer without doing anything, right? But in Python or something, in Python, we you have an odd function that gives us a sky values. This odd gives us a sky value, right? You can use odd instead of this simply written si minus 1, right? You should write you should use odd in Python. And in Java, I think I haven't used much Java, but I think there is also a math, some function in math which converts this ASCII value. You can see that on Google, right? I'm sure about Python, right? So yeah, that's the difference, and we will just return the sum from here. Let's run this. Okay, yeah, let's submit it. Yeah, we have passed the test cases, all the test cases. So yeah, that's only the approach this question can be solved. Or in Python you can write in one line of code or anything like that's also good. I'm not doing that here. Hope you liked it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And please do subscribe and share. Thank you.